Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can contact a seller on Craigslist. So you have decided to buy something off of Craigslist, you have found an item that matches all your criteria, but you can't seem to find an email or phone number to contact the seller and you're confused how you can do it. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you exactly how you can contact the seller on Craigslist. In order to contact a seller of an item off of Craigslist, the first thing you want to do is open a browser and go to the post of that item. Once you open the ad of that item and go through the details and descriptions of that item, you decide to buy that item. To contact the seller of that item, what you need to do is tap on the reply button on the top left corner of the screen. So tap on that button, then you'll see another option which says show email. Tap on that. Once you tap on the show email button, you'll see something like this. This is an anonymous email created by Craigslist for the sellers. Now what you can do is copy that email and send an email to the seller asking about the product. Or you can choose any of these 4 options to contact the seller. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.